Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video, we have created a coronavirus COVID-19 tracker app. And in the previous video, we have added more features like detail cases, and in the next section, we have added flag country for every item in our RecyclerView. And in this time, we are going to add more feature again, which is we want to filtering a RecyclerView with SearchView. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I am so grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my video. First thing first, I want to say sorry for my English is not good, so if the word I use are incorrect, please help me to point out. Alright, so before we are continue in this section, make sure you have watched my previous video, and if you haven't watched it, you can watch it now. And make sure you have following my tutorial and you have my project. If you haven't downloaded it, you can download it right now, link in the description below. Alright, if you are ready, let's open our project. Alright, so this is our project, and for now we need to go to our adapter. So right here on country, and we see here, and in the previous video we have created one array list in our adapter, and for now we need to make it private and we make it as list, and we add another list. It looks similar, and this will save our filter, which is we want to save for every item in search will be here. Alright, and we go to our constructor right here, and in the previous we make it as list and now we make it as list. Alright, and again we assign COVID countries full as new array list, and we say COVID countries. It looks similar but it's as array list, and this COVID countries full have a task to save list when we search on our search view. Alright, so we scroll to the bottom, but before that we need to make our adapter to implement filterable. Alright, we see warning right here because we need to implement method right here. So to simply we can press Ctrl+O and we type get filter, and we see right here and press it. Alright, and for now we need to change return as COVID countries filter, and we see warning again. This warning is because we haven't yet created this method, so we type again below that and we say private filter, which is this Android widget, and we say COVID countries filter equal to new filter, and we see Android.widget and press it, and we see two methods right here, perform filtering and this publish result. Alright, this perform filtering is a method that will work on a charge sequence, which is when we type for every character in search view, it will be saved right here, and this will work on UI thread, and this is work on background thread. Alright, and we need to give semicolon right here. Alright, and inside this filter result we need to remove this because we want to remove as null. So we say list COVID country and we say filtered COVID country. Alright, and we say new array list, semicolon right here, and below that we say if constraint is null or constraint dot length equal to 0, so we say right here filtered COVID country at all, and we say COVID country is full, semicolon right here, and else, which is negation of our if statement, we say string filter pattern, and we say constraint dot toString, and then two lowercase and trim. Alright, so we will iterate for COVID country, which is COVID country object, and we say item COVID country, and we say COVID country is full, and if item COVID country dot get m COVID country, which is this is our country name. When we click this, we see get m COVID country. This work for our country name. If you want to use another, you can use get m cases or get m dates or more. And for now, I use get m country because I want to search based on country name. Alright. So after that, we want to make it to be lowercase and then contains filter pattern. Alright. And we say bracket right here and filtered COVID country at, we say item COVID country. So it means that we search based on country name and we make it to be lowercase, and when our item contains this pattern, it will add to filtered COVID country, which is this is as list. Alright, and we see error right here because we missing return statement. So we need to return something like filter result. So we say filter result and we name it as result, and we say new filter result, and we say result.values filtered COVID country, and we return result. Alright, so that's enough our perform filtering, and we go to our UI thread right here, and we say COVID countries, and we need to clear all our COVID countries, and we say again COVID countries at all, and we want to add our result dot values, and we need to cache list right here. So firstly we need to clear all our lists, and then we need to assign or we need to add all result to show in our RecyclerView, and we need to call notify dataset change. Alright, that's enough our get filter. Alright, and the next step is we need to add new vector assets right here, and we want to add search icon, and we change to IC search, and we change the color to be white, and again next and finish, and we press add. Alright, so after that, because we have create menu resource directory, so we don't need to create Android resource directory, so we just need to create new menu resource file, and we name it as search menu. Alright, so this is our search menu file, and we need to add new item right here, and we say ID, and we give ID action search, and we say icon, and we call our icon, and then we say title, and we say search, and after that we say action view class, and we call our search view, which is Android X app compat widget.searchView, and again action shows as action, and we say always, and then collapse action view, and we close it. Alright, so look like this, and then we need to go to our style right here, and we want to show action bar because this action bar will show SearchView. So we delete this, and right here I want to change my action bar color to be red, so we say total confirm right here. And after that I want to change action bar title color to be white, so we say text color primary, and right here we say white. After that we need to go to our country fragment right here and we close it. In the previous we have called our adapter right here, but for now we need to delete this, and we call right here COVID country adapter, and we say COVID country adapter, and then we need to change this to list, and this is good. And the next step is we need to call our COVID countries right here. I think right here, call, and we say COVID countries, and we say new array list, and then we need to go to RecyclerView, and we have deleted it, and again we need to go to our get data from server, and we delete this because we have assigned this COVID country right here, and again we need to remove our text view total country, and we make it as comment right here, and again we need to make it as comment. Alright, so before that we need to go to our layout, and we say fragment country, and we need to remove this linear layout, and we delete this, I think, and we delete this, so make it full. Alright, close it, and then right now we need to go to the bottom right here, and for now we need to create by pressing Ctrl+O, and we say on option menu right here, and it will generate look like this. After that we need to say right here inflator.inflate, and we want to inflate our menu, which is search menu, and we say menu right here. After that we need to create menu item, which is Android.view, and we say search item, and we assign to menu.find item, and we say r.id action search, if you remember. Alright, so this is our ID right here, this, and we call it from here, and this is our menu right here, search menu. Alright, I hope you remember. And after that we say SearchView, which is Android X App Compat widget, and we say SearchView, and again new SearchView get activity. Alright, after that we say SearchView.set query hint, let's say search blah blah blah. After that we need to say SearchView and then set on query tag listener, and inside this we say new SearchView.on query tag listener blah blah blah, and just press enter, and it will generate for us two methods right here, on query text submit and then on query text change. But in this section we just focus on query text change, but in this section it's pretty much enough. Alright, so we need to call right here if we want to check if our adapter, if COVID country adapter is not null. So we say COVID country adapter get filter, which is this is our method in our adapter, and we say right here filter, and we want to filter new text right here. Alright, so we need to return as true, and after that we need to say right here search item, and then set action view, and we say search view, and semicolon right here. And after that we need to go to on create view, and we say right here, and we say set has option menu. So we set has option menu because we have menu. So we say right here true. Alright, so I think we need to delete this and this. Alright, so let's run in our app. Alright, so look like this. We have action bar right here. This is our application title, and let's click this. And now we have filter, which is search view, and let's scroll. Alright, so let's click this, and let's say and USA, it will show us the result, and when we delete or add every character, it's updated. So let's say Russian, and let's say Germany, and let's say Indonesia, and let's say France, and when we click, it's work fine. Alright, so we can press this, and let's say Iran, and when we press this, it will erase and it will remove our typing. Alright, so let's Turkey, and then let's say Malaysia. Alright, it's pretty much good, but we see this not maximum width. So let's fix this. So I think we need to go to our on create option menu, and we say right here search view, set max width, and we say integer max value, and run again. Alright, so let's click again, and let's click filter, and let's say Germany, and now our search view is pretty much beautiful, and it's set maximum width, which is we say right here set maximum width, which is we provide parameter right here, which is integer dot maximum value. So let's say Singapore, and that's pretty much good. Alright, so we have one problem again. We want to change this to, let's say, total countries around the world, and when we click home, it will say, I think, overview. So to change our action bar title, so we need to go right here, I think below our our previous TV text view total country. So let's say action bar title right here, and we say get activity, set title, and we want to set JSON array dot length and plus countries. Alright, let's run again. Alright, let's click this. It's work fine, but let's click this. Our home fragment still our total countries. So we have one problem again. So I think we need to go to our home fragment, and we say in our create view, on create view, and I think we need to call right here action bar title, and we say like the before, get activity, set title, and let's say overview, and run again. I hope there's no error. Alright, so we see overview in our home fragment, and when we click this, now our action bar title changed to total countries around the world, which is for now it's around 211. Work fine. Alright, it's work fine, and let's click this USA and then China, Child, Indonesia, and when we type capital or lowercase, it's no problem because we have made it all to be lowercase. So I think in case sensitive, we can type right here, let's say USA, it's work fine, Indonesia right here, India. Alright, so it's work fine, and yeah, that's enough my video today. If you have any questions or comment, write it down on the comment field, and if you want to download my project file, link in the description below. Thank you so much, and see you again on the next video.